If you've ever tried making AI videos, you probably know how frustrating the process can be. One tool writes the script, another generates images, a different one creates videos, and then you still have to organize everything yourself. By the end, you're juggling multiple tabs just to create one project. But what if one platform could handle the entire workflow, from script to storyboard to the final AI video? Today, I'm testing Buzzy Canvas to see if it can actually replace that messy workflow. Most AI video tools are great at generating clips, but they don't help you build an entire project. The biggest problems are inconsistent characters, random scenes, no storyboard planning, and constantly switching between different tools. That's exactly what Buzzy Canvas is trying to solve with a complete AI filmmaking workflow. Buzzy also offers a variety of ready-made templates and creative workflows for different types of videos. Whether you're creating short films, product videos, ads, or social content, you can simply pick a template and get started much faster. Let's start from the very beginning. Inside Buzzy Canvas, I can simply enter a topic or a basic idea. Instead of giving me a few random sentences, it expands the idea into a much more detailed and structured production script. This isn't just a text prompt. The script is organized in a way that makes it much easier to continue building the rest of the project, from characters to scenes and eventually the final video. So, rather than jumping between different AI writing tools, everything starts inside same workspace, making the entire production process much more organized. Now that the script is ready, it's time to build the visual foundation of the project. Instead of generating random images one by one, Buzzy Canvas lets me create a complete character concept directly inside the workflow. For this, it supports powerful image generation models like Nano Banana 2 and GPT Image. One thing I really like is that I don't have to switch between different AI platforms. Right inside Buzzy, I can generate the same character using Nano Banana 2 and GPT Image 2, compare the results side by side, and simply choose the one that fits my project best. Next, I can generate the environment and scene references that match the story, so every scene follows the same visual style before moving into video generation. This is probably my favorite feature inside Buzzy Canvas, the 9-square storyboard. Instead of generating clips blindly, I can visualize the entire sequence before creating the final video. Each frame represents a planned shot, making it much easier to understand how the story flows from beginning to end. Because every frame references the same character and scene setup, the project feels much more consistent compared to generating random AI clips. What's even better is the amount of creative control you get. For example, here's the exact same scene with two different lighting styles. A warm cinematic look creates a welcoming atmosphere, while a darker dramatic setup completely changes the mood. Seeing both versions side by side makes it much easier to decide which one works best. The same scene can also be viewed from different camera angles. Whether it's a close-up, a wide shot, or a high-angle view, comparing them side by side helps me quickly choose the composition that tells the story more effectively. That level of control makes the workflow feel much closer to a real filmmaking process, rather than simply typing prompts and hoping for the best. Now comes the part where everything comes together. Once the script, character references, scene setup, and storyboard are ready, Buzzy Canvas lets me sync the entire workflow into the final AI video generation process. Instead of creating every clip separately, the platform keeps all those assets connected, making the final result much more consistent. For video generation, one of the biggest advantages of Buzzy Canvas is that it gives you access to multiple leading AI video models, so you can choose the best model for different creative needs, all from one platform. It also became the first website to offer Seedance 2.5, giving creators early access to one of the latest AI video generation models for high quality and cinematic results.
Time is no longer just measured, it is mastered.
It maintains the overall story structure, scene continuity, and visual consistency throughout the project. This makes the workflow feel much more like an actual production pipeline instead of a collection of disconnected AI generations. Another feature I really like is Buzzy's community page. Here, you can explore a huge collection of high-quality AI videos created by other users across different styles and genres. If you find a workflow you like, you can simply click Copy Canvas to duplicate the entire workflow into your own workspace. From there, you can customize the script, characters, scenes, or storyboard to match your own creative ideas instead of starting from scratch. It's a great way to learn from other creators, discover new ideas, and speed up your own AI video production while keeping the entire workflow inside Buzzy Canvas. After seeing the complete workflow, the biggest difference isn't just the quality of the final video, it's how everything is connected. Instead of jumping between multiple AI tools for writing, image generation, storyboarding, and video creation, Buzzy Canvas brings the entire production process into a single visual workspace. That makes planning, editing, and maintaining character consistency much easier, especially for longer storytelling projects. I can see this being useful for YouTubers, AI filmmakers, animators, marketers, educators, and anyone creating story-driven AI videos. Whether you're making short films, commercials, product videos, music videos, or social media content, having the entire workflow organized in one place can save a lot of time. Besides AI filmmaking, Buzzy also supports many different types of video creation. From marketing videos and product showcases to social media content and storytelling projects, everything can be managed from the same workspace without jumping between multiple tools. Overall, what impressed me most wasn't just the AI video generation, it was the complete workflow. From generating a structured script, creating consistent characters, building storyboard frames, adjusting lighting and camera angles, and finally producing the video, everything stays inside one platform. If you've been looking for a more organized way to create AI videos, Buzzy Canvas is definitely worth checking out. You can find the link in the description if you'd like to explore it yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.